That's where we're going. We go hike it. Yeah. Get our stupa on. So we're here at Swayambhu stupa. It's the biggest stupa here in Kathmandu for sure, and maybe all of Nepal. And yeah, it was really like beautiful, cool experience.
Very calm. I mean, we took a big hike up to the top, which put us out of breath.
Yeah, the elevation here, you can definitely feel the change as you're going up. I have such respect for trekkers.
But once we got to the top, it was beautiful. We walked around the circular temple part and just listened to music, and yeah, there was a lot of people praying, which was very interesting to watch.
There's monkeys everywhere.
I like it here. I'm in a bit of a shock mode. There's just so many people, and it's so different to any country I've ever been to in my life. There's just dust and dirt, and I think because I'm also so tall, I feel like I just stand out in front of everyone. So I love it, but it's taking time to get used to it. What about you?
I'm enjoying it. I find the energy here is very different than anywhere I've been in Asia. The people are very like genteel. It's very spiritual for sure. There's like a great energy that's happening here, and I'm just so excited to see what the rest of the country has in store for us.
We're gonna learn a ton on this trip, I feel, already, so.
Dande bat.
Dande bat.
Thank you.
Thank you.